In this video, we present our initial design and implementation of a tabletop device for supporting small group meetings. This work is a part of a larger project called CHIL, funded by the European Commission to study multimodal support for human-human group activities. In designing our application, we pursued a strict user-centered design approach by conducting user observations on natural group meetings. A standard whiteboard placed horizontally was used to simulate the tabletop device. We also performed focus groups with the participants. The design is based on the concept of virtual sheets of paper that can be shared by the participants. The tool allows functional and structural organization of space. A document can be rotated and passed along to other participants. Support is also provided for managing an agenda and outcome notes. Each sheet can be shrunk or moved to save space. Participants can use a pen to draw or write. A keyboard may be used when writing longer texts. Documents can be rotated to make them more accessible to other participants. The agenda and outcome notes lists are two special documents. The agenda contains the issues to be discussed. They can be added, removed, or sorted. Each item could be active or inactive. The system displays a time counter on the active issue. The counter is paused when the issue becomes inactive. The outcome notes keep track of the decisions made during the meeting. Each entry is automatically associated with the current agenda item. Documents can be associated to an outcome note using drag and drop. Management of private spaces is handled through tunneling between the table and participants' laptop computers. A known challenge for tabletop devices is that each participant has a different perspective. A mirroring functionality is provided to handle this problem. The content of the table is projected on the wall with an automatic realignment of the sheets in order to make the whole space visible to the group.